This is the Anker 737 power bank, and according to Anker, it's supposed to replace pretty much every charger in your bag. Big claim, right? But after using it for a week, charging everything from my phone to a full-on laptop, I found a couple of things they definitely don't highlight in the ads. So, is this the ultimate travel companion, or just an overhyped brick?
Anker 737 Power Bank Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Anker 737 Power Bank, also known as the PowerCore 24K, is a high-capacity portable charger released as part of Anker's premium lineup. It's designed for power users. Think remote workers, travelers, or anyone juggling multiple devices on the go. The big headline here is its 24,000 milliamp hour capacity paired with a massive 140-watt output via USB-C. That means it's not just for phones. You can charge laptops, tablets, even gaming handhelds. It also features a smart digital display that shows real-time stats, which is something you don't usually see on power banks.
The Anker 737 Power Bank Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in real life? I put this thing through its paces over a full week. I charged my iPhone multiple times, topped up a tablet, and even powered a MacBook Air. And honestly, this thing is a beast. It didn't just charge my laptop, it charged it fast. Like noticeably fast compared to typical portable chargers. What stood out most is consistency. Some power banks start strong and then slow down, but the 737 maintains solid output even when multiple devices are plugged in. I had my phone, earbuds, and laptop all charging at once, and it handled it without breaking a sweat. Another nice touch is the intelligent power distribution. It automatically adjusts output depending on what's plugged in, so you don't have to think about which port to use. But here's the thing, it's not perfect. The recharge time for the power bank itself is decent, but not mind-blowing unless you're using a high-wattage charger. And yes, it gets slightly warm under heavy load. Nothing alarming, but noticeable.
Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this thing stand out. First up, 140-watt USB-C power delivery. This basically means you can charge laptops at near full speed, which is a game changer if you're working remotely or traveling. You're not stuck hunting for wall outlets anymore. Next is the smart digital display. Instead of guessing battery levels, you get real-time info, input-output wattage, estimated recharge time, and remaining capacity. It's nerdy in the best way and actually super useful. Then there's multi-device charging. You get 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, so you can charge 3 devices at once. Perfect for those everything's about to die moments. And finally, PowerIQ 4.0 technology. This is Anker's smart system that optimizes charging efficiency across devices. In simple terms, faster charging, less wasted energy.
Design and build. Aesthetically, Anker went for a clean, slightly industrial look, and it works. The matte finish feels solid and premium, and the build quality is exactly what you'd expect from a top-tier accessory. But let's address the elephant in the room. It's chunky. This is not slipping into your pocket comfortably. It's more throw it in your backpack than carry it in your jeans. That said, the weight gives it a reassuring feel. It doesn't feel cheap or hollow. It feels like a serious piece of gear. And the screen? Bright, crisp, and easy to read even outdoors. Battery life? With 24,000 milliamp hours, this thing lasts. You're looking at about 4 to 5 full smartphone charges, or around 1 full laptop charge depending on the device. For travel, it's a lifesaver. You can go a full day or even a weekend without needing a wall outlet. But keep in mind, recharging the power bank itself can take a few hours, unless you're using a powerful USB-C charger. Pros: massive 140-watt output, can charge laptops fast. Smart display with real-time charging info. Excellent multi-device support. Cons: bulky and not pocket-friendly. Slight warmth under heavy use. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your money?
Look, if you're someone who travels a lot, works remotely, or just hates running out of battery, the Anker 737 is an absolute no-brainer. It replaces multiple chargers, handles serious workloads, and gives you peace of mind when you're away from outlets. But if you just need something to top up your phone occasionally, this might be overkill. You're paying for power you won't fully use.